Think a cruise is all buffets and sunsets? Do one of these, and you're off the ship. No refund. Welcome to Lux Cruise Intel. Behind the luxury? Rules. Real ones. Break them and your dream trip ends in minutes. We're talking kicked off in a foreign port. Your luggage. Your wallet. Long, lonely flight home. These ships are floating cities with their own security and laws. Zero tolerance for risk to passengers or crew. It's not a negotiation. It's not a debate. It's a one-way ticket off the ship. And you're footing the flight. So before you set your out of office, here are the 12 blunders that get you booted faster than you can say bon voyage. From obvious no-nos to shockingly common slip-ups. This isn't to scare you. It's to make you cruise smart. I've seen it all. Here's the inside track the brochures skip. Let's get into it. They can end your vacation in an instant. And they will. Think smart, sail happy. 12 ways to get kicked off. Chapter 1. The party foul that ends the party. Fast-paced, no fluff, and yeah, a little humor so it goes down smooth. Viewer discretion. It's real, it's enforced, and it's avoidable. Security's nightly special. Public drunkenness. Be loud, profane, or turn the hallway into karaoke. You're the show nobody paid for. Yell, fight, smash stuff. Hello, handcuffs. They spot it fast. Warning if you're lucky. Belligerent. You're a liability. Liabilities get removed. Ships are confined. Nowhere to escape your chaos. Push it, and port police say hi. Know your limits. Hydrate. Eat. Call it a night. The ship will be there tomorrow. You might not. Crew only is not a VIP shortcut. Those doors lead to engines, galleys, crew quarters. Cameras watch every restricted corridor. You'll get caught. Fast. Expect a serious chat, maybe a brig visit, or disembarkation at the next port. Resist the urge. Stick to passenger decks. Throw a punch and your cruise is over. Period. Zero tolerance, no exceptions. Offload and handcuffs. Detained, statements, cabin confinement, then off at the next port. Straight to local police. Assault charges, legal fees, foreign courts. Over a deck chair? Never worth it. Walk away. Find a crew member. Let pros handle it. Violence is a one-way ticket to trouble. Bringing drugs? Fastest way to jail. Immediate expulsion, likely arrest at the next port. Your bags are x-rayed before they reach your room. Dogs sweep terminals. And sometimes the ship. Smell from your cabin? They're knocking. Detained. Cabin searched. Turned over to local police. Many ports have harsher laws than home. Medications? Original bottles. Labels on. Bring only what you need. Recreational at home can be illegal on board. Don't gamble. Ignoring illness rules? That'll sink your trip. Report symptoms to the medical center. Immediately. They're preventing ship-wide emergencies. You might get meds in 24 hours in your room. Hide it and spread it? You become a public health risk. Captain can disembark you to protect thousands. No refund. You handle your way home. Sick. Sick on a ship? Tell the med team, not the deck party. It's how you avoid getting kicked for being a biohazard. Do the right thing. Rest, recover, resume. Ship isn't a souvenir shop. Theft gets billed, and you might get booted. Every item is tracked. Towels, robes, life jackets. Damage the ship? Immediate action. Break things? Pay big. Cameras are everywhere. No deniability. Repairs at sea cost a fortune. And they'll send you the bill. Serious damage? Expect disembarkation. Zero tolerance. Harassment or sexual misconduct. Respect and consent apply. More so on a ship. Unwanted comments following, any unwanted touch, removal. Security investigates immediately and thoroughly. Credible claim? You're confined, then off the ship to local law. No means no. Respect is not optional. Don't let drinks or vibes wreck lives, including yours. Simple rule. Act like a decent human. The muster drill isn't optional. It's law. You learn where to go and what to do in emergencies. They know exactly who showed up. Skip it, and they hunt you down. Refuse, you're a safety risk. Captain can disembark you. People have been kicked off before sail away. Best 15 minutes of your cruise. Safety gear isn't a prop. Pull a false alarm, mass panic, wasted resources. Mess with lifeboats, rings, or release gear. Automatic get off my ship. They must treat every alarm as real. Caught? Captain's office, then the gangway. Fines likely, Charges possible. Repeat after me. Safety gear isn't a prop. Hands off unless it's a real emergency and crew instruct you. Pack the wrong thing. Vacation over before you board. Every line posts a banned list. Read it. I didn't know won't fly at security. Obvious. Knives, guns, any firearm. Also, fireworks, flares, explosives. Less obvious? Coffee makers, hot plates, irons, fire hazards, extension cords and power strips. Also no. Anything with open flame or heating element. Nope. Minor stuff gets held till disembark. Weapons? Denied boarding, police called. Don't risk it. Check the list. Twice. Fake IDs to drink? Bartenders see thousands. They spot fakes. Lose more than a drink, you can be disembarked. Impersonation to board? Manifest? Photo? Biometrics? Ruthless. Face doesn't match? Busted. Immediately. Lying on a manifest is serious. Lifetime bans happen. Play ID games, lose your cruise. Don't mess with identity. Simple. Everyone's a content creator. But there are hard lines. Broadcasting restricted areas or crew IDs. Get booted. Bridge, engine room, crew corridors, off limits. Sneak and stream, massive security breach. You just mapped the ship for the internet. Not smart. Filming responses or IDs. Interference and privacy violations. Asked to stop? Comply immediately. Argue and meet security. Maybe the gangway. Film sunsets, not the security office. 12 surefire ways to torpedo a cruise. Don't do them. Nightmare. Unexpected flights home. From muster to last night, rules keep thousands safe. Fun doesn't beat safety or respect. Ocean's big. Ship's a small town. Be a good neighbor. It's a vessel under international law. Captain has final say. Challenge authority. Lose every time. Best trip. Seamless. You barely think about rules. You're too busy having a great time. Cruising smart beats cruising sorry. Want more luxury cruise intel? Subscribe and sail smarter. Have fun. Respect the rules, keep your cabin, and your cash. Thanks for watching. I'm Hassan. See you on the next one. Sail smart, not sorry. Crew word is law in emergencies. Report, rest, recover. Don't risk a ship-wide mess. No means no. Always. Safety gear is life-saving equipment, not content. Check the crew's website before you pack. Captain's mandate. Safety first. With power to disembark anyone. Rules aren't suggestions at sea. Incidents are logged, investigated, and acted on. One wrong move can end the whole trip. Sail smart, and you'll never meet security. More insider intel coming.